Good morning. Again, we will do question number 8. Then, I read the question. A, B and C are partners sharing profit losses 3 each, 2 each, 1 ratio. A withdraws rupees 2000 at the beginning of the month. B withdraws 1500 in the middle of every month. C withdraws 1000 at the end of every month. Okay. Interest on capital and drawing is to be charged 10%. यानी कि interest on drawing and interest on capital both are charged with 10% per annum. C is also allowed a 800 rupees per month salary. Then after deducting salary, but before allowing all type of interest, the profit for the year and date December was 122,150. Prepare P&L account and capital account and current account. Okay, students, please give the notice that this line capital accounts and current account, both accounts we have to prepare. It means capital are fixed. When current account is prepared, all adjustments are made in the current account except additional capital and drawing. Okay, these two adjustments are in the capital account, and except these two adjustments, all adjustments are made in the current account. So let me start. First, we made all calculations. First of all, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing A, B and C. Interest on drawing formula: total drawing into rate upon 100 into average period upon 12. This is the formula. Okay, then A's drawing है 2000 at the beginning of the every month. Then total drawing 2000 multiplied by 12 is equals to 24,000 into rate of interest given in the question 10% into average period when beginning of the month 6.5 upon 12. Point hटा 0 cross 12 ones are 12 and 20. Then 1300. Next है B. B withdraws 1500 in the middle of the every month. So 1500 into multiplied by 12 total drawing is equals to 18,000 into rate of interest 10% into 6. We take average period when the middle of the month 6 upon 12. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 0 से 0, 0 से 0. Then 2 is equal to 900. 900 interest on drawing. C. When C withdraws 1000 at the end of every month, then 1000 into 12 is equal to 12,000 into 10% into 5.5. When at the end of the month we take average period 5.5. Point remove 0, 0 and 0, and this also 0. 1 10 is equals to 550. This is the calculation of interest on drawing. Then we come to the point interest on capital. Second point, interest on capital. Interest on capital is always calculated on the opening balance. 3 partners opening balances of capital. Additional capital also introduced on 1st April by A and B and withdrawing on 1st October by C. Okay, then there is our financial year started from 1st Jan to 31st December. Started from 1st Jan and ending on 31st December. Total 12 months. Additional capital introduced on 1st April. Okay, then interest on capital for A is equals to 2 lakh opening capital into 10% is equals to 20,000. Then A introduced also additional capital 50,000 on 1st April. 1st April to 31st December, 9 months. For additional capital 50 into 10% into 9 upon 12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 4 is equal to 3750. Total interest on capital of A 23750. Okay, then B is also opening capital 1,50,000 into 10% is equal to 15,000. Then additional capital, B also introduced additional capital rupees 30,000 on 1st April. 1st April to 31st December, also 9 months. Then 30,000 into 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12. 0 0 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 750 is equals to 2250. Total 17,250 interest on capital of B. Last C. C is opening capital 1 lakh. Then 1 lakh into 10% is equals to 10,000. Then C did not introduce additional capital. Even C withdrawal 20,000 on 1st October. Then we calculate interest on withdrawal and less it from the 10,000. Then withdrawal 20,000 into 10% into how many months? 1st October. To 1st October to 31st December, it will become 3 months. 3 upon 12. Is equals to 500 minus 9500. Okay, interest on capital A, B and C we have calculated. Then C is also to be allowed a salary of rupees 800 per month. Then we come to the point C's salary. C's salary is equal to 800 per month, 800 multiplied by 12, 9600. Then, okay, and there is no adjustments. Okay, then we will prepare P&L. First we will prepare P&L appropriation account. After that capital account and current account also. P&L appropriation account. Particular amount, particular first we will write as usual profit by P&L account. Profit given in this question 122,150. We will add in this profit the salary, because C's salary after deducting salary, but before all types of interest the profit is itna. After deducting salary, partner salary deduction already ho chuki hai, but we have to show partner salary in the P&L appropriation account, so we add this again 9600. Then also one thing is that last line of questions, loan account as on 1st Jan 2016 40,000. Partners का लोन है, A partner है, A gave the loan to the firm 40,000 for 1 year. Then we had read earlier in the first day that interest on loan will be given, must be given if partnership deed provided or not, and कितना परसेंट? 6%. Then 6%. It will charge on the profit, not an appropriation. It will charge, and charge will come in the P&L account, not P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account is prepared after P&L account. Okay. Then it will come in the P&L account, interest on loan. So we minus from this figure interest on loan account, and interest on loan, how much? Interest on loan 40,000 into 6%, because we are not given the rate of loan of interest, so certified rate 6%, 2,400. We will minus 2,400 plus this and minus this. Okay. Then the right figure of the profit will become, ये हो गए आपके 1,19,000, 19 और 9 28 and 29 350, 129 350 I think is correct. 120 122 and 9 22 9 31 750, 31 750 में से 31 7 में से 29 700 में से 400 750 350. Yes, this is the correct amount. This is the profit which will come in the P&L appropriation account. So then we start. First, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing will come in this side by interest on drawing capital. We write this capital, not capital. We will write as current account because capital are fixed. Okay. C is current account. How much? 1,300, 900 and 550. Total 2,750. We will make current account with this account. इससे क्या होगा? आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट होगा और कन्वीनियंट रहेगा. Then partners current account. Okay. Sorry. A, B, C and A, B, C. First we will write the opening balances of current account which will be given in the question. Current account as on 1st Jan. 12,200 of A. Then 12,200 of A by balance BD. Next है आपका 5,500. Then 5,500. Next है आपका 4,100 but debit balance. So this will come inside the debit. To balance BD, C is 4,100. Okay. Then entry current account this side, then this side. Ledger account. You already know how to prepare ledger account. To P&L appropriation account bracket में interest on drawing account. A is 1,300, 900 and 550. Complete. Then next point, interest on capital. You already calculated. To interest on capital. A is current, B is current and C is current. A 23,750, B is 17,250. 250 and C 9500. Total 23, 30, 30, 40, 41, 41 or 50, 50, 500 total. Then this will posting this side by P&L appropriation, interest on capital 23, 750, 17, 250 and 9500. Clear? After that C is salary 96600. Then 2 partners salary, C is current account 9600. Okay, I think no other adjustment is remain. All adjustment has completed now. Okay, because interest on loan हम पहले deduct कर चुके हैं, so it will not come in the P&L appropriation account. We calculate the profit. 29 and 2 31, 31, 32, 132, 100. Okay, then share of profit is equals to 132, 100 minus 5500 plus 9600. 132, 100 minus 59, 60, 100. 132, 32, then 28. 28 is equals to 72,000 आपका profit. Then distributed 3:1 ratio given in the question. So A's share, B's share and C share 72,000 into 3 by 6, 72,000 into 2 by 6 into 1 by 6. $36,000 of A, 24,000 of B and 12,000 of C. So we write this side. 2 share of profit, A's current, B's current and C's current. We are prepare current account, so we must write that current account, not capital account, because capital are fixed. 36,000, 24,000 and 12,000 is equals to 72,000. Total 1,32,100, 1,32,100. Okay, posting this side by P&L appropriation, share of profit 36, 24 and 12. Total 36, 46, 48, 48 and 51, 51 or 20, 61, 71, 71, 950, 71, 950. Then this side 24, 34, 34 and 7, 41, 41, 46, 46, 750. 46, 750. This side 12 and 9, 21, 21, 500. So we will find the closing balance of current account. This minus this total. Okay. We will do the remaining part of this question in the next video.